Hey guys, I hope you are all doing great. Today I am going to show you how to share your screen on Google Meet step by step. Google Meet is mostly used for business meetings, online classes, or group video calls. It's super easy to use. You just need to follow me carefully till the end. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel Zonic Tech and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming tech videos. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Play Store on your phone and search for Google Meet. Once it appears, tap Download, and when the installation is done, click Open just like I am doing here. Now you will see three main options on the screen. Number 1. Create a new meeting link. Tap this if you want to generate meeting link. You will get two buttons, share and join. Use share to send the link to anyone you want to invite, and join if you have received someone else's meeting link. Number 2. Schedule in Google Calendar. This lets you set up a meeting for later, but make sure you have installed the Google Calendar app for this feature. Number 3. Start an instant meeting. Tap this to start a group call right away. Your contact list will appear. Select anyone you want to invite and tap create and share a link. If the person does not pick up, you can simply go back and tap join or share again to retry. Once your call starts, you will see a camera icon on the left to turn your camera on or off, a mic icon on the right to mute or unmute your voice, and below there is the join button to add more participants. That's it. You are all set to use Google Meet like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and for more tech tips, stay connected with Zonic Tech. Thanks for watching.